If somebody buys already,
I want a
one
bunny.
bunny left.
I want a bunny.
There's only one bunny left, and everybody always buys the bunny. Oh,
Yeah.
what is this?
It says you can pet them, but you can't pick them up.
Don't pick them up. I wish we can buy one.
Mm-hmm.
It will take a good care of them. Now this is a sleepy one. Look at him. I guess you're cute. I wish we can get these. They're so soft and cute. Yeah, they are cute.
Mm-hmm. I think Jilly might try to eat up that bunny.
No.
I think Jilly would try to eat it.
No. No. You can't give up. They're playing.
I want to buy it.
I don't know.
I want to buy a bunny.
But they cost a lot of dollars, I think. Cost a lot of dollars. He wants to get out. Why does he
He wants to sniff that.
Bunny.
Bunny.
They are cute.
Because who's
But
going to
I
take care of it?
didn't mention these bunnies. They were like more in here. Yeah.
Well, looks like those are all gone.
Looks like people buy them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I can tell, because look.